today I'm gonna make some persimmon bread using a banana bread recipe. So what I did is I just went the easy route and I got banana bread recipe from the grocery store. They usually have these packets right beside the rotten bananas so that you can pick it up and turn the overripe, I should say, bananas into banana bread. But I used the persimmons and it turned out great. So here we go.
If I just hold it up, right speed, and then push it down.
Not quite done. Yep. Looks pretty dry. It turned out great. Yum, yum, yum.
And it's really good.
Right.